Lavu's restaurant software system is an integrated POS, payments, payroll, and banking program with the motto, embedded everything. The food and beverage industry is one of the most competitive in the world, so restaurants need an efficient and reliable POS system to stay ahead. From managing orders and inventory to processing payments and payroll, Lavu provides easy and automated tracking in one place. At POS USA, we've installed Lavu in many locations, and our customers praise its ease of use and ability to streamline operations. This experience gives us full confidence in recommending Lavu to any restaurant seeking an efficient POS solution. Right now, Lavu is running a special promotion. Get everything your restaurant needs for just $9.99 a month. Check the link in the description for details on this limited time offer. It's the best way to experience their innovative embedded everything concept, which prevents human error and saves time. This new approach is changing how owners manage their businesses. Let's take a closer look at Lavu's core features and what's included in the starter kit. Next, we'll discuss pricing, including their unique approach to processing fees and real-world uses that benefit different types of restaurants. Lavu POS offers seamless payment processing, allowing you to accept all major credit and debit cards. With built-in EMV technology, transactions are secure and PCI compliant. This eliminates the need for separate systems, saving time and reducing errors. The company offers a proprietary way to virtually eliminate your credit card processing fees. Dual pricing, a huge saving for restaurants monthly. Another great feature is Lavu's advanced management tools. With real-time reporting and analytics, you can track sales, inventory, and employee performance from anywhere. This data helps make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Lavu POS will soon offer embedded banking, letting you deposit cash directly into your bank account. This eliminates manual counting and reduces human error. Fewer trips to the bank are always a good thing. The complete payroll solution makes paying employees and managing their hours easier than ever. It integrates with popular accounting software, so daily transactions are recorded automatically. No mistakes, manual entries, and faster payment for front and back of the house restaurant staff make Lavu payroll a must-have. Lavu POS is incredibly user-friendly with an intuitive interface that can be customized to fit your restaurant's needs. Its simple design reduces training time and increases efficiency. Despite its complex features, Lavu provides a simple pricing model. For a limited time, their starter kit includes the software, an iPad, and a printer for just $9.99 per month. This offer is perfect for small businesses or new restaurants upgrading their systems without high upfront costs. Visit the link in the description to see if you qualify for this special offer. You'll also have the option of Lavu's dual pricing. Businesses can choose between two processing fees, 2% for the restaurant and 4% passed to the patron. So how does this work? When a customer pays with a card, the restaurant can either absorb the fee or pass it on. Choosing the 2% option helps manage costs effectively. The dual pricing model has been a game changer for many restaurant owners, reducing costs and increasing profit margins. It provides flexibility and caters to different needs, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Restaurants have seen real-world benefits from using Lavu. From streamlining operations to reducing third-party software costs, embedded payroll and banking provide better financial control, leading to greater efficiency and profitability. All the necessary tools are built into the software, making it a one-stop shop for your business needs. There's no need for multiple integrations. Everything you need is at your fingertips. With this cloud-based system, you can manage your restaurant from anywhere on devices like tablets, phones, and laptops. This ensures you stay on top of your business, even when away. With the unique pressures restaurant owners face, it's nice to have a tool like Lavu to keep everything organized so nothing slips through the cracks. Lavu POS also offers reliable customer service and technical support. Their team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or issues. Lavu's comprehensive solution for managing your restaurant, its embedded everything approach, and affordable pricing make it a great choice for restaurants of any size. While Lavu has many strengths, like any software, there is room for improvement. Some users report occasional delays, but these are minor and quickly resolved by their excellent support team. We highly recommend exploring Lavu POS for your restaurant needs. Click the link below to explore their starter kit and learn more about the features and pricing options. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and reviews.